Listen, man, there's not a lot of times that I'm disappointed in things. But at the end of the day, profit is profit. You can't live in what if, what could have been, right? So this morning I bought 7,400 shares of Opendoor Technologies at $2.90. I then turned around and sold 7,200 shares at $3.08. Basically, I made around 1,200, probably more than that. Now it is at $4.19. If I had held it and sold it at $4, I would have made $8,000 pure profit. Can't be mad at it because I could have also held it and it crashed and it tanked. I did keep 200 shares anticipating that it would go higher and then I would play some options. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two option contracts on the shares that I currently own. So I'm going to go trade options and I am going to go about we're the 25th. So this is this Friday, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks out. And I will enter into a contract, I'll say about 150. I don't believe that it's going to pump past $5 today. Could be wrong. So I'll do a contract for 150, collect $150 right now, review order. Or I could wait, have it go up and get the whole 150, but I'm not really. Actually, let's do this. Let's go back. Let's place a limit price order. So 1.5. So that way we get the whole 150 review order and then paying for the right to buy. Actually, this is a buy call. I'm so sorry. Sell call. So no, we're not doing a covered call. We're doing a sell call. And like I said, we'll do a month out. Let's not be greedy. Let's be conservative. So let's do a month out. Let's do $5 strike and one contract. We'll do an asking price of 1.41. This should get filled because the price will go up. So it's the 1.41, actually 1.42 review. Or tie into that contract done. That's $140. I still have 100 shares that I can play around with if I see fit. For right now, I'll probably do another contract, but the way the stock is moving, it might hit the strike and I end up having to sell and I don't want to sell. This is one of the few stocks that I'll probably hold because it's so cheap. I've made almost $1,600 already off of the stock itself. So why would I get rid of it when it has the possibility to go higher? So I'll do that one contract for now. Like I said, I could do another contract for this Friday. But it's so close to the 450 strike that it's not even really worth it. So for right now, I'll just chill. I'm not going to open that other contract. So that was another $140 profit on open, and we shall see on August 15th how that goes. I'll probably post like daily updates to anything that I do, but that's that contract right there. Like I said, man, when I boss up your life, you gotta get in with me.